Hey everyone, this is Will. I'm a coordinator here at McKinney Community Center. We're really excited to have you back to our facility in a safe and fun manner. Our hours of operation are gonna look a little bit different from what you're used to. On Monday through Fridays from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., we're having our 50 and above population at the facility to keep them safe. From 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. after a little bit of a cleaning session, we'll be having our entire population available to use the facility. We're having weight room, games, billiards, ping pong, all those fun things. On Saturdays, we'll be open from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Again, open to the entire population for those 5 hours. Come by, play some pool, play some ping pong, all those different fun games. We're really excited to have you all come back. Things are gonna look a little different here at the community center. We'll be having limited occupancy in some of our different areas, such as our weight room and game lobbies. We're limiting our weight room to 30-minute increments only, so that way there's not a lot of people in there at the same time, only 4 people allowed. And in between, we'll be cleaning those weights, all the different equipment really well. Our pool sticks, once you're done playing billiards, we'll be cleaning those really well as bringing in new, fresh ones. Our ping pong paddles, the same thing, making sure we're cleaning them between each use, making sure everyone here is not touching the same thing over and over again. Our staff will also be doing really good safety procedures. We'll be wearing our masks and gloves, making sure we do our temperature checks in the mornings to keep you all safe, using the right kind of cleaning supplies as recommended by the CDC. And our first opening phase 1 on June 1st, we won't have a few things available such as our water fountains, so make sure you bring your own water bottle to stay hydrated. Our showers will not be available, unfortunately, for use. You won't be seeing any of our programs at this point in time. We do hope to bring them back soon, but because of safety reasons, we want to keep our space very limited with people who can use it. For safety reasons, we'll also be requiring a community center ID. They are free. All you need is a valid form of identification, and we can help you get set up with that when you come to the facility.
Hey everyone, this is Jake from Old Settlers Recreation Center. I'm a coordinator over there, and starting June 1st, we'll be opening for open gym basketball only, starting from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and on Saturdays we'll be open from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. At Old Settlers, we'll be taking a lot of the same cleaning measures as the community center. We encourage everyone that wants to come for open gym to bring their own basketballs, but we will be checking out basketballs as well and cleaning those regularly. As far as our water fountains and our showers, those will be closed to the public at this time. When you come in for open gym basketball, keep in mind we are making a few minor adjustments. We're allowing only 2 people per goal and for only 1-hour increments. For more information about our parks and our facilities, go to the city website, and we look forward to seeing you soon.